course, it's been very lucky to work with a number of teachers from other countries.
Dan dia juga mengajar berbagai macam kayak guru dari berbagai macam negara.
So, although I come from Colorado, from America, my family is from Indonesia.
Jadi dia ini sebenarnya dari Colorado, tapi keluarganya dari Indonesia.
So, as I said, I'm very interested in acting, in drama. So, one of my hobbies is movies.
Jadi salah satu hobinya itu nonton atau film, karena memang dia sangat tertarik hobinya itu dia di drama.
And as I said, I also enjoy stand-up comedy.
Dan dia juga sangat suka sama stand-up comedy. Jadi kalau misalnya mau belajar stand-up comedy boleh.
And of course, I love to travel.
Dan dia sangat senang travel.
So, like you're pushing a stone uphill.
Kayak mendorong batu tuh di atas gunung, kayak berat sekali bebannya.
And some reasons for this are the class sizes.
Ya, salah satu alasannya itu memang kelas yang besar atau jumlah kelas yang besar.
Like, how big is your biggest class?
Kalau kelas di sini yang terbesar itu jumlahnya berapa ya?
40 something.
40. Yeah, so that's a lot, right? And not everybody is the same, right? You have some students that learn very quickly, right? Some students, they have more trouble learning. So it's difficult to teach all of them in the same place at the same time.
Jadi salah satu alasannya lagi yang membuat kita susah ngajar itu sebenarnya bukan hanya jumlah kelasnya yang besar, tapi ada anak yang memang agak berbeda-beda level kelahirannya. Misalnya ada yang sedikit rendah, di situ ada yang bagus, ada juga yang sangat bagus, ada juga bahkan yang tidak mengerti.
Right? I don't sit behind a desk. I don't stand behind the desk. What do? I move around, right? Here, I've got a lot of room to walk, right? So I can check on the student, on people sitting back here.
Ya, jadi misalnya seperti dia, dan mungkin sebenarnya kita sudah lakukan juga, hanya dia coba memberikan saja apa yang dia sudah berikan. Jadi dia misalnya seperti di sini, yang terpenting dari dia itu adalah powernya, power pada saat kita jalan. Itu dia memberikan motivasi siswa untuk perhatian kita. Jadi bukan hanya kayak berpindah saja, tapi setiap langkah yang kita lakukan itu harus ada kekuatan energi yang memang itu didesain, bukan hanya kita berjalan saja.
Right. So it helps you to maintain contact with this eye contact with your students as well. So just trying to do that as much as you can.
Jadi kalau kita bisa melakukannya sebanyak mungkin.
I don't know what the policy in the school for handphone uses.
Dia tidak tahu, dia cuma mau bertanya kalau di sini handphone itu dilarang atau misalnya boleh dipakai pada saat belajar.
We can use it.
Can they?
Yep.
Boleh.
Okay. Now this may sound counterintuitive, but I actually think using handphones is a good idea.
Menurut dia, menggunakan handphone itu sangat bagus. Memang ada beberapa pendapat yang mengatakan itu mengganggu perhatian siswa. Tapi kalau kita bisa kelola penggunaannya, itu akan sangat memberi manfaat.
I actually encourage my students to use them.
Ya, dan di mahasiswanya sendiri, kayak di IAIN, dia memotivasi mahasiswa itu untuk membawa handphonenya dan menggunakannya di dalam kelas.
For me, because in Indonesia, because sometimes we have problems with electricity, sometimes we have problems with internet connection, but what is more reliable? The handphone internet services.
Misalnya salah satu kasusnya.
Okay, first, swing your hips.
Swing
your hip.
Hands out.
Hands up.
Palms down.
Arms down.
Right, left.
Right, kanan kiri.
Palms up.
Telapak ke atas.
Palms up.
Hands to shoulders.
Tangan di bahu.
Hands to shoulder.
Hands behind ears.
Tangan di belakang telinga.
Right, left. Hands behind to hips.
Ya, di belakang sini.
Hands to your bum.
Di pantat tangannya.
Or in America we say butt.
But
Move your hips in a circle.
Digoyang.
Jump and turn to the right.
jump.
Oh, berputar.
And then repeat. Martians.
Martian. Ya.
Martians.
Sama-sama Martian.
Martian.
Earth.
Earth.
Kita ikuti deh.
Earth.
Earth.
Telephone.
Telephone.
Telephone. Talk.
Oh.
Talk. Book. Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Cat.
Cat.
Cat. Chicken. Chicken. And ring. Ring. Again. Martian.
Martian.
Earth.
Earth.
Telephone.
Telephone.
Talk.
Talk.
Book. Cow.
Cow.
Cat.
Cat.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Ring. Okay, one more time.
Martian. Earth. Telephone.
Okay, now, here's the video.
Martian.
Martians thought that the ring was the telephone talking. So the Martians started to
Ring.
ring. Ring. And they thought they were talking
Talking.
to the telephone.
Telephone.